I went to the beach a lot this summer because there wasn't a lot else to do outside this summer. So one Sunday, I'm social distancing on my little blanket, and I see this adorable little girl building a sandcastle. She's maybe 3 years old. She has her little blue bucket, and she's collecting wet sand, and she's shoveling it into the bucket, and she's carrying it to build her castle that's closer to her family's blanket on the dry sand. But her little blue bucket has this huge crack in it. So most of the sand is falling out on her way to the castle, and when she gets to her blanket, she's just kind of confused and disappointed. Lots of actors are out there collecting relationships like this little girl was collecting her sand for her sandcastle. They're hustling. They're doing a great job. They're going to workshops, they're actively doing projects, meeting great people, they're networking their butts off. But they've got a leaky bucket. They're not continuing to nurture those relationships. They lose touch. Nothing ever comes of those relationships. The sand just falls out of the bottom of the bucket before it can become part of the castle. You lose touch with your contacts before they can collaborate with you, before they can help you build your acting empire, build that castle. So I want to ask you, are you still in close touch with the people that you worked with 3 years ago? If the answer is no, you need a system, my friend. You need a new bucket. So, how do you make sure your relationships don't fall by the wayside? There are various ways you can do this. You can do what I call rolling reach outs. You can start an email newsletter that you send out periodically, which works great if you're doing it the right way. Members of the table become rock stars at tracking their relationships because that's one of the milestones on our success path. So make sure you start making this a focus as well, so you can collect all that sand and build your beautiful career castle with all the ease and a lot less frustration.